Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is what it means to be human, unlocking the power of our DNA. Ladies and gentlemen, human DNA is nothing short of a masterpiece, an intricate blueprint that carries the codes, the programs, and the processes carefully crafted by nature's master creator. Within this molecular tapestry lies the framework for human growth, development, and performance, calibrated with astonishing precision to unlock our full potential. Every strand of our DNA tells the story of who we are, where we came from, and what we are capable of achieving. Yet, DNA is more than just a record of our past. It is a guide to our future. Over time, through millennia of evolution, our genetic code has been shaped by both the forces of nature and the imprints of our environments. It has adapted to the challenges of survival, but it has also accumulated damages and mutations, silent, invisible shifts that have altered some of our fundamental biological processes. These changes reflect not only our evolution but also our limitations. They manifest in our health, in our behaviors, in our resilience, and even in the constraints we face today. But here lies the real question. What could we become if we took control of this remarkable code within us? The journey of human evolution is etched into our every cell. Mutations, some beneficial, some detrimental, are the markers of that journey. They are the byproducts of a life lived in changing environments where diet, culture, and external conditions have left their fingerprints on our genetic code. Some mutations have helped us adapt, allowing human beings to survive in diverse and challenging conditions. But alongside these adaptive changes are those that have impaired certain functions, limiting the full expression of what we are or we were originally designed to do. These genetic mutations are like pages in a book, some still legible, others worn down by time and circumstances. Today, they influence our physiology, our psychology, and even the potential of our future. But science has illuminated a profound truth. These mutations, these accumulated damages are not set in stone. They can be addressed, they can be altered, and in some cases, they can be reversed. The promise of modern science is awe-inspiring. Fields such as epigenetics, gene therapy, and CRISPR genome editing are showing us that we can with precision unlock the codes within our DNA that have remained dormant. Damaged programs can be repaired. Suppressed genes can be reactivated, and dormant processes can be reignited. We can, in essence, restore ourselves to the fullest version of what we are capable of being. This is not merely a scientific challenge, it is a human one. To embark on the process of healing and growth means more than fixing biological functions. It requires a conscious effort to improve the environments in which we live, both within and outside of ourselves. The conditions for repair are not just genetic, they are emotional, mental, and even spiritual. Our choices, our lifestyles, our connections to one another, and our relationships with the natural world play critical roles in this transformation. The journey of repairing and unlocking the full potential of our DNA begins with a single step, wherever we are today. We are all custodians of this magnificent code, and within each decision, we either nourish it or let it decline. The science is here, but the choice is ours. We are not bound by the genetic damages of the past. We are defined by how we respond to them. As a human race, we stand at a crossroads. The capability to repair, reverse, and restore exists, but it demands that we start with conscious intent. It requires that we understand ourselves not just as physical beings, but as dynamic, ever-evolving creations of boundless potential. We must foster an environment, internally and externally, that allows this process to unfold. By nurturing our biology, nurturing our minds, and nurturing our collective spirit, we can transcend the limitations written into our DNA and rewrite the future of humanity. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, we are the product of an extraordinary genetic heritage, but we are not limited by it. The true essence of being human is not just in understanding our DNA, but in embracing the possibilities it holds. Science has opened the door, but we must walk through it with hope, determination, and collective effort. We are not just the sum of our genetic makeup. We are the living testament to resilience and the power to rise above limitations. The path to rediscovering our purpose, to unlocking the vast potential that resides within each of us, is right before us. Let this be our moment of awakening, a new dawn for us and for future generations to come. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.